What's up everyone, my name is Nick, this is my brother Mike.
Hi.
And this is the first episode of the Higher Creations videos. Something special, something one of a kind. You can see him in the back. It's 100cc 2-cylinder, custom made mini bike, 2-stroke. It had almost 30 horsepower before it broke down. What happened to it, Mike? You know what happened?
Engine seized. I wanted to show it to somebody. I didn't warm it up, and yeah, it kind of almost seized right away. So let's take it apart. Take the. I'm for sure it's the bottom cylinder, and I hope that's the only one, because the other one is a little bit harder to get to. It's yeah. I'm not the guy who made it. Just the lucky one who got the chance to buy it. Like my brother said, it's a 2-cylinder, and it's kind of 2 separate engines which are connected by this belt. So the starting system is on the top cylinder, and the chain is driven by the bottom cylinder on the other side.
So the engine is seized. We're going to take it apart, rebuild it, replace whatever is broken, and then we're gonna start it and take it to the dyno.
Because we've been told it has 30 horsepower, but who knows?
So right now we are going to take out the water, and we're going to remove the radiator.
Looks like water.
In the book, great.
I can't believe that's all. So the water is out. We've untightened everything, so you don't have to wait too long. The other side, a little bit more.
Where are we? Okay. Take the radiator off. This is custom made. Just hits like a tube. I think everything is custom made for this thing. For sure. I know the cranks, the cylinders, and the carburetors, of course. They're just yeah.
Now, let's keep our fingers crossed. Custom made.
Moment of truth. Oh, by the way, it's seized about a year ago. That's how slow I am.
Nou, it's for sure this one.
Het licht.
Might need a new one.
Of je de zin kan zien.
No, moment of truth. Oh, had hij mij? Ja. Oh, hij is aan het filmen.
I don't know if you see it.
Doesn't look that bad. I think a little bit difficult to show it. Italy, Malossi.
Malossi, 50 cc's. So we are going to call the creator of the mini bike to see if he can help us with some parts. So we're going to give him a call right now. See if he's answers.
Dave.
Goedemiddag, met mij spreken. Hi, weet je wie ik ben? Hey, ik heb ooit een minibike gekocht. Ja, ik heb je een keer eerder gesproken. Toen heb ik je verteld dat hij is vastgelopen. Ik weet niet of je het over dit. Ja, ik heb jullie afgesproken en ik meen me te herinneren dat jij maar...
So we took it apart, and it's obvious that we're gonna need a new piston, but I expected it has seized, but there's nothing to see at the sides. And the cylinder is also in good shape, so that's a plus, but we're not sure what has happened, so we're gonna get a new piston and get it going again, and hopefully it's gonna run good. If you don't want to miss out, then like and subscribe.